west of Draper here. It's kind of slowed up, and it's gotten a lot thinner here. Now let's hope that this dissipates here, but as again, it's done it before. It's gotten really small, and then all of a sudden it's just swelled up into another tremendous tornado. There's so much debris around this thing, it's just unbelievable. But right now, it almost appears to be stationary, Gary. It almost appears to stop moving where it is, and it's just kind of sitting there. Like I said, it's probably about 1.5 miles to the west of Lake Draper right now, and then it's all of a sudden it's just kind of like stopped in this spot right here. Now it's getting very thin. You can see the needle at the bottom there. Let's hope that this dissipates here, but it's already caused no telling how many hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of damage. Let's just hope that we don't have any lives lost. You can see it roping out, Gary. Hopefully this is the end of this ordeal right here before, but you know, with most of these this big, it could very easily cycle back up and drop another tornado. But it looks like this is going to end just about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles.